Shopping at the mall. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a great day. Today I want to talk about something many people enjoy. Shopping at the mall. For some people, shopping is a way to buy things they need. For others, it's a fun way to spend time with friends or family. I enjoy going to the mall from time to time. I don't always go there to buy something. Sometimes I simply like walking around looking at the shops, having a drink, or enjoying the busy atmosphere. Usually, I decide what I need before I leave home. Maybe I need a new shirt. Maybe I need a pair of shoes. Or perhaps I'm looking for a gift for someone. Making a small list helps me stay focused. When I arrive at the mall, the first thing I notice is the number of people. Some people are shopping. Some are meeting friends. Some are eating. And others are simply walking around and looking at the different stores. The mall can be especially busy on weekends. I usually start by looking at clothing stores. There are so many choices. Different colors. Different styles. Different sizes. Sometimes I know exactly what I want. Other times I see something interesting and think, maybe I should try this. But I try not to buy something just because it looks nice. I ask myself a simple question. Do I really need this? That question can save a lot of money. If I find something I like, I check the price first. Then I look at the material and the quality. I also make sure the size is right. Sometimes I try the clothes on before buying them. It's always better to check how something fits rather than buy it and discover later that it doesn't feel comfortable. After visiting the clothing stores, I might look at shoes. Shoes are interesting because they need to look good, but they also need to be comfortable. I don't want to buy a beautiful pair of shoes that hurts my feet after 10 minutes. So, I walk around the store in the shoes and make sure they feel right. If I'm shopping for a gift, the experience is a little different. I have to think about what the other person likes. What colors do they enjoy? What hobbies do they have? What would be useful for them? Choosing a gift can be difficult, but it's also exciting. Sometimes I spend a long time looking for the perfect gift. After shopping for a while, I usually take a break. One of my favorite things about going to the mall is visiting a cafe. I order a coffee, tea, or a cold drink and sit down for a few minutes. It's nice to rest after walking around the stores. If I'm with a friend, this is a great time to talk. We might discuss the things we've seen. We might talk about work or school. Or we might simply enjoy a funny conversation. The mall is also a good place to have lunch. There are usually many restaurants and food choices. Maybe I want a sandwich. Maybe I want pizza. Or maybe I just want a quick snack. The hardest part is choosing what to eat. Sometimes I also visit a bookstore. I love walking through the shelves and looking at different books. Even if I don't buy anything, I enjoy discovering new titles. There may also be electronic stores, sports shops, toy stores, and many other kinds of stores. That's what makes the mall interesting. There is usually something for everyone. Of course, shopping at a mall can have some disadvantages. Can be crowded. Parking can be difficult. Some products can be expensive. And it's very easy to spend more money than you planned. That's why I try to set a budget before I go. If I have a specific amount in mind, I'm less likely to buy unnecessary things. Sales and discounts can also be tempting. A sign saying 50% off immediately gets your attention. But a discount doesn't always mean you're saving money. If you buy something you don't need, you're still spending money. So, I try to ask myself whether I would buy the item if there were no discount. If the answer is no, I probably don't need it. Another thing I enjoy about shopping at the mall is people watching. You see people from all walks of life. Families, students, friends, tourists, older people, young children. Everyone seems to have somewhere to go. Creates a lively atmosphere. After a few hours, I'm usually ready to go home. I check my shopping bags one more time and make sure I haven't forgotten anything. Then I leave the mall feeling a little tired but happy. Sometimes I bought exactly what I needed. Sometimes I bought nothing. And sometimes I found something completely unexpected. But that's part of the fun. Shopping doesn't always have to be about buying things. It can also be about spending time with people, exploring new places, and enjoying a change from your normal routine. So, the next time you visit a mall, take your time. Make a list. Set a budget. Look around. And enjoy the experience. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. Do you enjoy shopping at the mall? What kind of stores do you usually visit? Do you prefer shopping alone or with friends? What is the last thing you bought at a mall? And do you usually make a shopping list before you go? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Remember, shopping can be fun, but smart shopping is even better. Buy what you need, stay within your budget, and enjoy your time. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.